In biology, structures are built or torn down, energy is stored, released, and processed through chemical reactions. And this video is going to be a brief introduction to the basics of chemical reactions, at least as far as this course is concerned. Let's start with some basic facts. Chemical reactions are those processes in which new chemical substances are formed because existing chemical bonds are broken and or new chemical bonds are formed. That's what happens in a chemical reaction. Each chemical reaction begins with chemical substances known as reactants and ends with substances that are called products. So we start with reactants and we end with products. If a reaction is exergonic, that means energy is being released by that reaction, or potential energy is becoming kinetic. By contrast, an endergonic chemical reaction is one where chemical energy is becoming stored. Kinetic energy is becoming potential energy. An important fact to be aware of also is that some chemical reactions are reversible. In a reversible reaction, we could start with one set of reactants and form a particular set of products, or we could start with those products as the reactants and form the original reactants as products. In other words, the reaction can go in both directions. The two reactions can reverse each other. Chemical reactions are going to be classified based on the types of reactants and products involved and the way in which the reaction is carried out. We'll see that in the next video, and we go through some specific types of chemical reactions.